Hi, welcome, come on in. This is a Kuhio Shores ground floor 1-bedroom unit with air conditioning. Bedroom's right here. King size bed. Over here we have a large storage closet and a linen closet, and the bathroom's right here. And then here's the living area with the kitchen. Pantry here. The unit was remodeled 3 years ago. It has new flooring, new cabinets, new fridge and dishwasher and furnishings. Great view from the dining area. When you're sitting over there, you can look straight out at the ocean. The air conditioning is a split system, which makes it really nice. And then out here to the lanai, the table and chairs and some lounge chairs, and a wonderful view.